Another quick shorts video. Thursday night. Oops, just tripped over the old turbo trainer. You can see the parts pile is significantly lessened now. Bike's got some bits on. We've rebuilt the back hub on there. We've got it all together. The new discs are on. That's been refit. We've put the new jockey wheels on, tension wheel and the guide wheel. Bottom bracket's been refitted, and that's in. We're at 25 seconds. Front forks have been cleaned up and they're on. Jobs to do next when I come back and do the next part of this is we've got the brakes to put back on, so we're going to have to got a new brake kit there. Brand new front brake disc. We've got to do the rebuild on the RockShox. That's going to be a separate video. I've now got the RockShox rebuild kit. That was like hen's teeth. New chain. Saddles going back on. What else have we got? And 7 new cables. Oh, we've got one of those chain tensioner jockey wheel things for transporting to play with.